This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, actually, in this today's session, we are going to be covering that these are that topics. What is ERP? I will give that some clarifications about the what is the ERP and uses of ERP. What are the prerequisites and history of the Dynamics 365 finance and operations and H++ language. And suppose if you choose this is a career, what is that career opportunities currently it's having and past, how it is the market. We'll discuss all those things. Okay. Okay. First of all, thanks for joining. Yeah, just now is a demo started, Divya. Yeah. Am I audible, guys?
Yes, you're audible. Go ahead.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. And I'm giving the one clarity. This is a technical demo. Okay, this is a technical demo and coding also is available. And don't ask me what is the percentage of coding, because of I'm getting that a lot of questions from the students. What is the percentage? Someone says that just 10%, 20% of coding, remaining is drag and drop. Okay, those things is not there. Divya, can you please log off and log in again? Maybe your side is some audio issues is there. Okay, yeah, that is about the fully coding is there, but we can't tell about that only this much coding is there. Okay, we can't. No one can tell. It's a totally. It's a depend upon the client requirement only. We are going to be customize the product. Yeah, that is about my side is clear. It's a completely technical and coding also is available. If someone is told about that, don't trust those words. Coding is 100% coding is available here. First of all, we'll discuss what is the ERP. ERP is the enterprise resource planning, but why they introduced this ERP and what is the difference of that software and this ERP and customization and implementation. These are all under comes under the ERP. Actually, ERP there's some set of packages is available. So packages in the sense, let's say example, client having that different businesses is there. Okay, let's say we can talk about the client having that some mining business, some transportation business, and some supermarket or jewelry shop, like this multiple businesses and all the worldwide. To maintain all those these accounts or the software, suppose he consultant any software company, suppose they have provided from scratch to end of this development, it may take at least 2 to 3 years, because we need to maintain that a few of the modules, HR module for recruiting the purpose employees and payroll module as well, and account receivable, accounts payable, means we are maintaining the customers and vendors as well, and general ledger is also is required for that finance module. All these are the very minimum thing. Again, we have the project and production also is there, and inventory module and warehouse module. All these things is required. So all the maintain this software. So if we go with that any development software, it will take so much time to. So to avoid this one, we have a available ERPs is available in the market, like SAP, our Dynamics 365, Oracle. Some people using the Tally also, Epicor, and Ban also one ERP is there. Okay, based on that client financial uses, and they can purchase that ERP, their ERP, and they're running their business. Okay, that is about that ERP. It is a combination of that few of the modules or packages, and we can run that multiple companies, and with that multiple currencies and this one as well, languages also. It will support that multi-language also, because why I can give that some general example. Suppose we have purchased one new mobile. While starting that mobile very first day, and it is asking for the some setup, which language we are understanding. Anyways, always Indians use that English, but suppose if we can go with that French or Chinese, they can choose their native languages because there's few of the people interested to their native language they can see. So at the same time, our Dynamics 365 ERP also, it is having that multiple languages it will support. Okay, that is comes under the labels concept. Technically I can show to you how to create those things. Yeah. And that is about the ERP and the uses of ERP. One ERP, it will solve that all your business needs. Means you can ask me, suppose if I purchase the ERP from that Microsoft, then is it 100% is suitable for my business? No. Okay, it will not suitable for the 100% because what they are putting into that existing system, in generally what it is happening in that worldwide the business, they can think about those things, just they have implemented the product. But customization purpose, we need to require a technical consultant as well as the functional consultant. First, functional consultant will came to the picture because of those functional persons having that main product knowledge. They can compare with that client business how they are doing, and based on that they can, what is the gap is there, they can fill that gap and preparing that document, FDD, functional design document, and they can provide to that technical. Okay, guys, are you understanding completely? I'm saying that what we are doing that in the real time, because I'm not giving that okay, Dynamics 365 we have these things. Just I'm giving that once if you are enter into the with the job Dynamics 365, what it is going to be do exactly. Suppose I have purchased a one product, but how I can use that one? Let's say example, I have purchased that one mobile phone, but how it is useful for my daily activities, those things I'm talking into that once you have purchased the ERP. Okay, understand, right? Any questions up to here? Okay, if you don't have any questions, yeah, good. And it is a technical consultant, they can customize the product. Customize is a difference is the implementation and customization. Implementation means it is developed from the scratch, so we are getting that requirements gathering, then we can implement that from scratch level, like database design and UML diagrams, flow charts, all these things we are going to be implement from the scratch. But customization means already it's available. Like in a general scenario, I can do the two examples. Maybe you can connect any one of the example what you are interested. Suppose in festival season we went to the shopping. Okay, we have two options: ready-made and cloth. We can purchase the cloth and go to the tailor. We can give that our measurements based on that. That is the taking the process like implementation. But if we go to ready-made, now just we can purchase the product and go to the alteration. Means the product is ready, but it is going to the alteration suitable for our measurements. And you can take that to any other second example. Suppose you have purchased any new car or else any house, but the base skeleton of the product is available, but we are going to be customized what we are based on our taste. Okay, that thing is a custom existing product, we are going to be customized. The same thing in the ERP also we can do. But you can ask me, but there is no implementation in the ERP. Yeah, see, implementation also is available. That is, we can call it as a verticals, new modules we are going to be create. Okay, that is comes under the different part. This is about that exactly we are doing to that real time. We have two people, one is the technical consultant and functional consultant. Technical people will write the code to the customize the product. Guys, am I clear?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. But what are the prerequisites? See, any product or any software to learn the some prerequisites is required. Okay, what are those prerequisites? If it comes into our Dynamics 365 as a technical consultant, you need the OOPS concepts knowledge. Okay, what is the OOPS? Yeah, Divya. And Divya is facing some audio issues. Okay, OOPS concepts is required. Why OOPS concepts? Because if you understand that our coding language, what is our coding language? Anyone knows? Say H++. It is derived from the C++ and C sharp. So if you want to customize your product, then OOPS concepts is required. This is the just prerequisites from that software side. If we don't know about the OOPS concepts, no worries. We'll cover into the our course curriculum. Okay, OOPS concepts is there like classes, objects, abstract, and interface, inheritance, polymorphism. Okay, these are the all the things. But before coming to the classes, if you know all those things, then you can easily understand that code. Because already code is available, we must read the code. Then we are going to be apply where the customization is required. That is the main thing. Suppose if it is a from scratch, we can develop the code what we want. But here the code is already available, so based on the availability we are going to be provide our solution. Okay, these are the prerequisites. And hardware side, suppose if you set up this one, okay, in your mission Dynamics 365 product, don't ask for that installation, because installation means one by one software are going to be installed. But this is the only setup. We are getting that VHD from that Microsoft. That VHD we are going to be set up in on our missions. The mission, the hardware configurations, say minimum 250 GB minimum SSD hard disk is there. Okay, it should be there SSD hard disk. And 8 GB, 8 GB is a minimum. Suppose if you are financially good, then you can go with that 16 GB RAM. Okay, and the processor should be Core i5 or later. Okay, these things is required. Suppose if you have 500 GB SSD, also it's fine. 8 GB, 16 GB, yeah, it's also fine. Core i5 or later processor. Then you don't feel that while practicing time performance issue. Okay, these are that hardware requirements is there. Okay, this is about the prerequisites. And what is the history of the Dynamics 365? Actually, I can give the short word, Dynamics 365. That actually it's a before the people is calling us that so many names. Don't confuse all those names. One second. If you call AIDS, Accepta, Microsoft Dynamics 2009 means it's a AIDS 2009 or else AIDS 2012. Okay, some people call them morphets. Okay, and Rainier 87 D365 F and O. Okay. Earlier, these are the names and versions. Microsoft is changing to that these names, but now the latest name is that D365 Finance and Operations Technical. Okay, our course name is the this is the one. Okay, some people is also looking for, if suppose if you are get any query, don't type in the Google Dynamics 365. Dynamics 365 it comes under that CRM. Okay, it's not our course. Our course is the Dynamics 365 F&O. Okay, the history actually this is based developed on that Danish company is implemented that four products, our AH and Navision and Infor and GP Great Plains. These four things is implemented. After that, IBM is acquired this product. From IBM onwards, Microsoft is acquired this thing, and slowly it is going to be added that few of the standard features and implemented what are the prerequisites, and all the some extra features they added, and the integrations part they have added. And the cloud is also moved from D365 onwards. It's a cloud based software, a product. Okay, this is about the history of this one. and this is a language, we can call it as a H++ language. Okay, the H++ language, it is look like a, if you know the C sharp or C++, you can easily understand that your H++ language. And what is the career opportunities? If we talk about the career opportunities, okay, when I was started my career in the 2012 onwards, the huge many openings is there. From that onwards, actually, I'm not seeing that any hurdles in the dynamics market. If you want, you can check it. And if you, and 3+ years onwards, the openings is available. And nowadays, some companies, few companies also taking the freshers also, the dynamics 365 freshers, in the sense trained freshers. Okay, they are recruiting, but that is a very less. But experience of 3+ years onwards, there is a huge many opportunities is there, and including India and abroad countries also, there is a market is very good now. Okay, and our batch is going to start at 24th of January, means it's a Monday. The timings is the morning 8 to 9, daily 1 hour class, and it's already it's a live classes, and all are practical examples and real-time examples I can show to you. Okay. This is about that short description of that demo Dynamics 365. I can show to that our environment how it look like. 1 second, guys. Yeah, actually, this is the front end we are seeing. Okay, means some people is calling the client or end user. This is the front end. Means our client is going to be interaction using this one only. If we go to that modules, I told, right, if you purchase this ERP, already few of the modules is already pre-built from the Microsoft. You can check accounts payable, account receivable, asset management, audit workbench, like this. All some modules is already available, but if a client is asking for that, okay, you can go to the accounts payable, and you can open the all vendors, attach one button, or else when you click on that button, and it is navigating to that other form to bring that highlighted record details. This type of requirement or lookup form, or when you create that one of the batch job, these are the things we can get into the in requirement. Okay, just I can show to you that one of the form, just all vendors you can open, and it is taking time because it's a master form. This is actually is a functional screen, but technical, they can give that or demonstration from here onwards. You can implement one of the button, or else you can add one column here. This type of requirements we can get it, but as I'm talking, these very simple requirements, but we can get that complex requirements based on the experience. And like this, we have a tabs, and no worries, I need to design this form, drag and drop buttons. It's a just simple 5 to 10 minutes job to design the form, but coding part is the more and more in the forms. Okay,
Okay, I just have a question here.
yeah,
So, the technical training that you've included, will that include the reporting part as well, or no?
yeah, SSRS reporting part as well. I can show to that syllabus what I'm going to cover. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, okay, sure.
Yeah, I will show you. Yeah, this is about that end user screen, and where our technical people is working. Okay, we'll work on the Visual Studio. Okay, Visual Studio. This is our technical environment, and this is the AOT application objectory. Here we are going to be work. They were coding classes and everything is available here. Okay, if anyone having the tools knowledge, means if you have that C++ or C sharp or Java,
Yeah,
Python.
I do. I do have a little knowledge because I've developed few reports, and I was part of, writing few jobs in 2009 and 2012, but not in Dynamics. So that
Okay.
was way beyond that, and before 6 years. So all these 6 years, I was into the functional part.
Mhm.
So I have a little knowledge.
Yeah, it's a good to know, and thanks, Sheru. And anyone, Avinash, Divya, Pavan, Pranav, Shashikant, Vikas, anyone having the troops prior knowledge? Okay, and what is your education background, Pranav? Because this is suitable for that computer science or MCA backgrounds. It's very good. Or electronic also, it's fine. But if anyone is that uh, MBA MBA people, the technical course is not suitable. In market, MBA people also they are blaming to that learning this course, but MBA people is not suitable for. Okay, mechanical engineering means suppose if you have that C++ knowledge, you can enter it, but you need to struggle. Then only you can enjoy the full fruit of the dynamics. Okay, that is I can see that a few of the mechanical engineers also working on that dynamics, but initially they can face some problems, but you need to uh, overcome those problems. Okay, but no worries. Here we can write that classes, and I can show to yeah, if you have that oops knowledge, then it's fine. Anyway, in our course curriculum also it's going to be covered. And one second, guys, I will share my screen syllabus what I'm going to cover. Let me know, are you able to see my screen?
Yes,
Okay, yeah, this is the syllabus, guys. Okay, and it's a totally it's a 45 hours of training, but don't consider of that means it's a daily the 45 days it will take. No, it will reduce it within that 40 days only, because of few of these some small concepts is there, those things will come under that within one day, and it will cover the two classes. Saturday I can take that one more hour extra like this, but I can cover all those things. And these are the day one introduction, why it is required, and configuration, label files. And day four, these are the things. And you are asking about the reports. See, these type of reports, query based and RDP based reports, and auto designs also you can show to you. And in D365 I can take that one of the existing report, how we can customize those existing report also I can cover. And number sequence, it's a very important topic, number sequences. And our oops concepts also is there. See, oops concepts also is there. Looping and export and data entities, aggregate data entity, composite data entities. This is a very interesting topic, because of if you are working with that any data migration or else integration, that time these things is required. And how to move that code into that one environment to other environment, those things also. And these are the very small topics: data effectiveness, development, end user interest, arcs concepts. Again, it's a very important, because we can talk to the forms for through using that passing the information. And batch programming we can cover into the sys operation framework, because run based and run based batch, it's a older one, but nowadays everyone using the sys operation framework, we can cover this one. Some caching techniques, creating project, these are the things. Difference between 2012 and D365, but here I'm speaking about 2012. I will not show that environment because I don't have that environment. D365, if I found what are the differences, those things I can deliver into the class itself is the theoretically. And the architecture and packages models, these are that new concept. Packages is a new concept while deploying the code in D365. Models, it's already available in the 2012, and this is not available in the 2009. And some Azure knowledge, classic V, model V, debugging. This is the main, this is the heart, guys. Extensions, overlaying, chain of commands. These are the heart Okay, suppose because of Microsoft is a freeze the code. So how you can customize using the chain of commands or extensions. Overlaying also is removed from that update 8 onwards. Okay, and event handling extension framework, form extensions, we can see form extensions, class extensions, and the table extensions, menu extensions. We can see all the extensions which are available, and we can see services and raw data, and these are the things, security and performance using trace process. These are the going to be we can cover. Okay, this is about the syllabus. Any questions, guys?